Hi guys, welcome to How to Make Money channel. In today's video, I will help you how our tool Instaprofit is helping you to generate traffic and leads for your affiliate product. But before that, you can subscribe to our channel and hit on bell icon for further updates. So let's move to Instaprofit and let me show you what it is. Instaprofit is an all-in-one Instagram to allow you to make four-figure income easily on daily basis with free traffic source. You can build email list, generate sales and drive free traffic to anywhere you want using this groundbreaking cloud-based app. It's a known fact that using a social media for marketing it's very effective and 73% of marketers believe using social media marketing has been very effective for their business. Instagram is a booming pool of traffic nowadays, but here is the issue. Making money through social media platform is very hard, especially through Instagram. What if I told you there is a solution to this? Okay. And don't worry, this is another software. Okay. You are basically one click away from the generating high quality traffic and making sales. And stop trying methods and guides that are too hard or don't work. Stop wasting time trying to figure out how to make money online. Stop letting your Instagram account waste themselves without generating any money. Stop trying to think what content to post to attract more followers. Stop posting content that doesn't generate engagement and sales. Stop waiting for opportunity. What if I told you there is a solution to this? Yes, I am talking about the brand new viral software called Instaprofit, which has been launched. Since they wanted to make it even simpler for you, you created it with a fully newbie friendly interface and step guide that even somebody who never managed to make money online could do it. Here, how it works, the process simple. Step one is 1 minute. Yeah. So step one is logging. Simply logging into link they provide. Access dashboard and link the Instagram account with the Insta Profit. Step two is let the tool run for you in order to generate unlimited quality traffic and easily grow the Instagram account with content that is automatically generated by this software. Step three. Uh, Set the affiliate link and let the affiliate account become flooded with the unlimited Instagram traffic. Okay. Now, I would like to ask, what would you do if you had the freedom to easily earn 4 to 5 figures a month? How would your life change? Take a moment to reflect on this. Your freedom matters. You have the right to achieve financial freedom like most of their customer did. Instaprofit does exactly this. Give affiliate the possibility to live an abundant life with a high income that fuels their dreams without too much efforts. And for a limited period of time, they are offering this software for practically free at one-time low fees. Okay, get the Instaprofit now for or you will have to pay a monthly fees after this special launch. So, what are the features that are included into Instaprofit? First is automated 100% free buyer traffic. Second, easily build a buyer list with a targeted traffic source. Automated chart. What feature? Drive a limited buyer traffic to your affiliate link. Instaprofit is an all-in-one solution to leverage Instagram to make more money on Autopilot. Proven training with a case study of using the software to make easy income. 100% cloud-based app and everything is done for you. One-click automated solution to leverage Instagram for your online business. And no need any technical skill or no need to run any ads. And what Instaprofit can do for you. Mm. Easily earn money online via Instagram traffic source. Receive big commission effortless. Promote your content to ready to buy audience. Stop paying for ads that cost you thousands. Generate high quality Instagram content. Automated posting with Instaprofit. Enjoy the freedom of having an autopilot income. Set the software to high quality traffic to the affiliate link. So, what is Instaprofit? It is set and forget software that harness the power of Instagram automation and lets the affiliate automate their income by automatizing the manual process of getting traffic. How many sales can I make with the Instaprofit? You can make an unlimited number of sales using the Instaprofit, and there is no limitation of how much money you can make with this. Sky is the limit. Is it beginner friendly? Yes, it is completely beginner friendly and they did all the hard work for you. So there is not much manual work for you. The app worked completely on autopilot and also they added a future sorry and also they added a free tutorial to get started. Is there a money back guarantee? Yes, if you are convert with 30 days money back guarantee, there is absolutely no risk when you act now. But I am suggest that you can try at least one time, so you will get idea. Okay, because I didn't see any loophole in this software. I have tried it and tested it, and it's work very well. How do I get instant access? Okay, click the link below in the description and try to access with the link. And we have included some bonuses for you, which help you to make more money in this. Like bonus number one is bonus funnel. Okay, a bonus offer. Bonus number two is Instagram marketing excellence. It's about how about somewhere free traffic. Discover how to generate unlimited free traffic. That's target and convert like crazy as soon as today. And traffic based offer number three. The five powerful techniques outlined in this guide are geared toward a single purpose, helping you drive more traffic to your website. This method that you will learn are easier than you might have thought initially, and will bring you result with in a week. Bonus number four is Instagram secret. In this, Instagram ads are not the most expensive way to promote your business and brand, but it is not a cheap option either. Businesses of all kinds are seeing excellent result with it. It work. You just need to know how to get it right. And bonus number five is commission generator. Follow a complete system for getting up a high-speed affiliate campaign that generate a non-stop profit. If you wish to make 1,000, if not million online, affiliate making is good business model that you can get started fast. So these all are the my input on this Instaprofit. I'm just recommending this software because I have tried and tested and it's working very well and I have make some money. Okay, so thanks guy to watch this video and best of luck and stay tuned. I will create one more video on how to make money online. So please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for further update. Thank you guys.